And mostly problem will be sorry you have be something temporary. The please then try the again an error problem. The app has been logging error problem online logging. The issue the city app has been not working. The error problem the solution update has been not. And the easily problem the solution update and first one the easily open the Play Store and search iPhone and Android same procedure but any searching the app and we install and for update now new version the update and first of all the update now and the two step to open the back and open the bell setting and type the app and the app informations select the app informations and the first of all the store and cashier the claims back open the app the searchings and permissions all permission allows back and open the setting app has been open and logging problems